it's not like trading or not like different or fast trading, which is, but then no so. So maybe just over and under over. So same time, just you know, got focus on more. Don't you? I wanna stay the stake legit prediction now or fucking number of thing. So more to look in case you look no more, which means I stake out. So stakes are not to look at three because we're not balance zero guy. So if you look at $3 sharp, it will choose a stake. I mean, number or no more either is over. I got under. I got 8 I got 8 If got under, minimum it load young, it loads under. It will treat the under. Then I got over, it will treat the over yon. So I want to change. A little bit. Usually, I want to let a pinnacle air go 1. I want to know go 6. Okay, sharp. No, so I will see. You go 3. So the good low more 8 or 7 sharp. For in case until you go under 7, meaning 6 series 5. You go under 7. I want to idea are under. To make a hat no more under 7 year, meaning work grab profit. You need 8. Under 7, so you grab profit there. Happy. Let me show you something. I want to know the profit here, which was total profit year 1. So, pitch check up, I got $5. So, go to your gauge. Okay, you get your 5 here. You get 6. Wonder how easy it is. Well, we'll check it out. I want to know good under 7. This guy, you get after. So, you get under. Meaning, a number until you choose under 7. If you want to know, but it's rare or cover, so we want to choose the 4. So check a profit to rural guy. Okay, I wish I'm going to show you profit. 8, so $8. Very simple as that, compared to all the other trading methods. So I think I'm a deriv. I know you link the deriv, the trading, the trading, or maybe you can read a Tradekit or a link. Same time, I want to go get your profit. I mean, go get your stakes. The under 7 in meaning the chances of under 7 they are very high. I want because it does under 7 and then holding my is less. So put under. You know that no more 7. Then play. Over. Yeah, choose. You check the deal or refill away. Or you go 7. So profit there won't be much because like you choose exactly 7. But then depends on like stake. The profit depends on our stake. So it's very easy to do this thing.